Mia collects trading cards. She got 12 cards on Monday, 29 cards on Tuesday, 14 cards on Wednesday, and 26 cards on Thursday. How many trading cards does she have in total?
Wow, can you believe we've made it to level 9? This could be our most challenging level yet, but I know that with your help, we're going to tackle these problems and beat this level like all the rest. Today we're adding two-digit numbers. We've done that before back in level 2. But this is a little different because there are 1, 2, 3, 4? 4 numbers to add together? Where do we begin? To help us practice, Mia came up with some problems that have more than 2 addends, or numbers we add together. Let's try them out in our guided notes before we attempt today's math quest. The first problem says, Mia rode her bike 7 miles on Monday, 4 miles on Tuesday, 6 miles on Wednesday, and 9 miles on Thursday. How many miles did she ride in total? Our first problem involves one-digit numbers, the number of miles Mia has been riding each day with her family, and Mia is trying to figure out how many miles she has ridden in total. We've never added this many numbers together at one time, but we have added 2 numbers together in many different ways. Let's start with the first 2 numbers, 7 plus 4. We can count on to solve this starting with 7. Then 8, 9, 10, 11. 7 plus 4 is 11. Then we can add the next number, which is 6. Starting with 11, we can count up 6 times. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We have a total of 17 miles so far. Only one number left to add, 9. We'll start with 17 and count on 9 more. Try it out and we'll see if we get the same answer. What did you get? 26? Yes! That's a total of 26 miles, Mia. You've really been enjoying those bike rides. Great job using the count on strategy. Let's look at our next problem. Mia has been saving money and keeping track on her phone. The first month, she saved $12. The second month, it was $23. The third month, she saved $14. And the fourth month, she saved $30. How much has she saved in total? In the last example, we counted on because we were using one-digit add-ins, but with two-digit numbers, we've learned many different strategies like stacking them vertically. What if we split this into 2 problems with 2 add-ins each? Then we can add our answers from each problem to get the total. We can start with the first 2 numbers, 12 and 23. Stack these vertically by place value and add starting with the ones. 2 plus 3 is 5, and 1 plus 2 is 3. So in the first 2 months, Mia saved $35. Now the next 2 numbers. We have 14 and 30. 4 plus 0 is 4. 1 plus 3 is also 4. The total for months 3 and 4 is $44. Great! Now that we've added those together, we have a new problem. 35 plus 44. Pause here and try this one on your own. So, how much money has Mia saved? That's it! Mia has saved a total of $79. Way to go, Mia, for saving your money. And great work to you for helping me figure this out. We have one more example problem to work through. On a trip to her grandma's house, Mia kept account of how many black cars, white cars, and red cars there were. How many total cars did she see? Mia, what a fun activity to do while on a trip in the car. Let's help her total these up. Just like we stack 2 addends vertically, we can do the same with 3 addends. Mia organized her data from her trip to her grandma's house into a tally chart. I like to start with the greatest number on top and work down to the smallest number. The most popular car color was white with 34, so that will go first. Then there were 21 black cars and finally 17 red cars, just like the car Mia was riding in on her trip. Now we add up the ones. 4 plus 1 is 5. Then we add 7 more to get 12. We'll write the 2 and regroup the 10. Now adding down the tens place, we have 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. The total here is 7 in the tens column, which means there were 72 cars total. Great work, Mia! We've seen a few different ways to combine multiple addends, and now I think we're ready for the math quest. Let's review what we're trying to solve. Mia collects trading cards. She got 12 cards on Monday, 29 cards on Tuesday, 14 cards on Wednesday, and 26 cards on Thursday. How many trading cards does she have in total? Whether you decide to group the addends or stack them all vertically, pause here and try solving this on your own. What did you get? If you added the pairs, 12 plus 29 equals 41, and 14 plus 26 equals 40. Add those together and you get 81 trading cards. You could have added any combination of numbers together as long as you got 81. If you stack the numbers, you add up the ones placed first. 2 plus 9 plus 4 plus 6 equals 21. Write the 1 and regroup the 2 tens. Then we add the tens. The 2 we regrouped plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 equals 8. Again, we get 81. Great! Write our final answer on your math quest while I input our answer. Excellent job today. We learned several different ways to add up multiple addends, from counting on to grouping to stacking them vertically. Whichever strategy we chose, we found our sum. Remember, every problem has a solution, and we've got the skills to solve it. See you next time. Hey.